Nobody likes the look of a faded roof with cracked or missing shingles, but a roof replacement in Arvada, Colorado is about more than just aesthetics. A new roof enhances buyer curb appeal. Nobody wants to purchase a house with a shabby, run-down roof that will need replacing in a few years. Replacing the roof before you list your home for sale will attract higher offers. Installing GAF premium shingles like Timberline HDZ also helps increase your home's energy efficiency. The energy insulating layer created by thicker asphalt shingles helps keep your roof cool in the summer and maintain interior heat during the winter. Another benefit of a roof replacement is having peace of mind. Many modern shingles are rated Class 4 impact resistant. This means they stand up to wind, hail, and falling debris. This can help protect your roof during extreme weather, saving you money on repairs. Your insurance rates may also decrease if you replace your existing asphalt roof shingles with premium shingles. The shingles' fire-resistant properties make your home less of an insurance risk. Call Roof Worx for a free consultation in Jefferson County and discover how replacing your asphalt roofing shingles can prolong the life of your roof and increase your home's value.